All right, today I am going to show you where the coolant reservoir is located in vehicles, in cars, trucks, or whatever. I'm going to show you a general guide as to where this is located. All right, so I'm going to show you because you need to have coolant in your vehicle. If you don't have that, you can run into issues such as overheating in your vehicle. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way along the way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, with that being said, I am standing in front of a vehicle with the hood open, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you where the reservoirs are located. All right, so I'm in here, and if you look down here, the reservoirs are like right here. So that's a reservoir right here. This particular vehicle seems to have two of them for some reason. So there's reservoirs for the coolant right here. And you can see right here, there is a warning on the top of it right here that says, I believe that says, do not touch when it's hot. So you want to make sure your engine is cool, a cold engine, before accessing those areas. And so right here, it has the same symbol on there. Do not touch if it's hot, okay? So important to read your owner's manual and you know exactly where your reservoir on your vehicle is, but these right here are the reservoirs with that pink in there. But you need to read your owner's manual so you know for sure where yours is at. If you're not sure, also get a mechanic to help you out. And voila. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you're able to find your reservoirs on your particular vehicle. Thanks a lot for watching.